Hello, and today I'm going to be talking about classes in the Dart programming language. So a class is basically the blueprint for other objects in that you can create in a class. And to declare a class, you simply have to write the class function, and then you have to name the class. And it doesn't have to be class underscore name, it can be anything you want it to be. And all the code related to the class has to be in two curly brackets. Some of the objects that you can create in a class are fields, setters and getters, constructors, and functions. In classes, you can give the properties of one class to another class. So instead of rewriting a lot of code, you just give the properties. You just write a little and give the properties of one class to another. So the class that receives the properties is called a child, and the class that gives the properties is called a parent. And we can see here that class circle is the child and class shape is the parent. So class shape gives class circle all its properties, and it doesn't have to be with one class, it can be with several classes. So it could be class circle extends shape extends square. So sometimes we don't want a child to have the properties of a parent, so we override that, and we see here that m1 is equal to integer a, but we don't want that for the class child, so we override it and say m1 is equal to integer b. So the super keyword is basically, it does the job as of an override. So super stands for superior, so we see here that m1 is integer a, and that writes there value of b 12, and then here m1 is superior, so superior m1 is equal to 13, so value of a is equal to 13. So that's classes, and thank you for watching my video.